Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a JPG image into a PDF on your Mac. It's super simple and only takes a few clicks. Let's say I have this JPG photo of some food right here. To turn this into a PDF, just right-click on the image. Then, go down to Quick Actions and select Create PDF. If you don't see that option, click on Customize at the bottom of the list. That'll open up your system settings, and you just need to make sure the Create PDF toggle is turned on. Once you click that, boom, a PDF file is created instantly. However, there is one catch. When I check the info on this new file, the size is nearly 5 megabytes. That's a bit heavy. To shrink that file size down, right-click the PDF, go to Open With, and select Preview. Up here in the menu bar, click on File, and then choose Export. Now look for the Quartz Filter drop-down menu, and select Reduce File Size. Choose where you want to save it, and hit Save. As you can see, our new PDF is now just 1 megabyte. Just a heads up though, the amount of space you save really depends on how compressed your original image was. If your source image was already small, you might not see such a drastic difference. Now for method number 2. If Quick Actions isn't working for you, just right-click your original image, go to Open With, and choose Preview. Go back up to the File menu, but this time select Export as PDF. Here you can just hit Save, or click Show Details if you want to change the orientation of the page. Then hit Save. And there you go. You've got your PDF. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.